What is complementary function? Notation. CF or YC. Do you remember? Okay, there are two types
Yes, ma'am.
of this higher order LD. Phi dy is equal to
0.
0, right? And second is phi dy is
0. F of x.
f of x, correct. Two types are there, phi dy is 0 and phi dy is f of x. So if it is of type 1, phi dy equal to 0, so we have to just find the roots, and depending on the roots we can write the solution. There are 4 types of roots. All of you remember this? Okay, so we can go to the question 1 then. If the roots are m1, m2, mn of this auxiliary equation phi d equal to 0 are real and distinct, then solution is equal to 0 type. So the solution is depending on the roots only. How are the roots? Real and distinct. Distinct mean different, separate. Yes. So all are real. These all m1, m2, mn are real and different. So how will be the solution?
Option A.
Option A.
A is correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Every root will go to the e's power with x, and as they all are different, everyone is having different constant. So A is the correct one. Next, the roots m1, m2, mn are real. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the roots are real if the two of these roots are repeated. Say m1 is equal to m2, and the remaining are distinct. Then the solution is. Do you remember for real and repeated?
Yes, ma'am.
It is repeating twice, right? So two constants get collect. How does that collect?
C1 plus C2x.
Right. Either you can write C1 plus C2x or C1x plus C2. That x you can give to any of the constant. So what will be the solution? C1.
Option
C.
Right.
C.
Right. All of these three having C1x plus C2. Right. All are real. So cos and sine is not there. Cos sine comes in case of imaginary. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Now among these two here it is sine. So cos sine is not the part. Right. So real repeated, that is m1 is repeating, and the remaining different, real and different, everyone goes in the power of e. Chalo, next, the roots are real. Okay, if 3 are repeating, 3 roots are repeated, say m1 is m2 is m3, and the remaining are distinct, then the solution of phi dy equal to 0 is
B.
right.
B.
Option B.
Correct. 3 constants get collected. Very good. It can be either like C1 plus C2x plus C3x square, or C3 plus C2x plus C1x square. Just one is constant simple, one is having x with it, and one is having x squared. Into e raised to m1 or m2 or m3, all are okay. M1 is given, okay. And then remaining are different. So C4, here it should be 4, na? M4.
Yes,
That is the mistake there. Here it should be M4 because M3 is in this repeated. Okay, so B is correct one, but there should be M4, remember that. Okay, next, 4. If M1 is alpha plus I beta and M2 is alpha minus I beta, how do we write it generally? Do we write like this separately, alpha plus I beta and alpha minus I beta? No. How do we write it? How do we write such type of roots? They always
Alpha
come
plus I beta
alpha,
plus minus I
right? They
beta.
always come in a conjugate pair, plus and minus together. So it is like alpha plus minus I beta. Means this is like alpha plus minus I beta. And for that, we know how to write the root. Then our two complex
D.
roots, right? Of this, then the solution is e raised to alpha x in bracket c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. You will think properly. Alpha is in the power of e, not beta. So this is gone. When this will be the answer? B.
Imaginary and repeated.
Correct. Imaginary
Repeated.
and repeated. How many times? 2 times.
Two times.
Two constants are collected right here. So it is imaginary and repeated twice case. Good. Chala, fifth one. If the complex roots m1, m2, alpha plus I beta, alpha minus I beta of auxiliary equation of fourth order, phi dy equal to 0 are repeated, then its solution is, please read it properly. Alpha plus I beta, alpha minus I beta of auxiliary equation of fourth order. It is the auxiliary equation of fourth order. D is having highest order 4. And it is given that these roots are repeated, then its solution is. Order is 4. Means how many roots will be there?
4.
4.
These are only 2 given and said repeated. Means this is twice.
Repeat.
And this is also twice.
Yeah.
Right? Means how are the roots here? Alpha plus minus I beta, again alpha plus minus I beta. Is this correct?
Yes.
Everyone is
Yes, ma'am.
understanding? It is not given here. It is given here only this and then repeated. And how many times repeated, it is also not given. Just given is the fourth order. फोर्थ ऑर्डर आहे म्हणजे 4 रूट्स. 4 रूट्स असतील तर 2 तिथे दाखवले म्हणजे तेच पुन्हा रिपीट झाले असते. इज दॅट क्लिअर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will be the solution?
B.
B.
Right? Correct. Repeated twice, the two constants will get collected. E raised to alpha x cos beta sin beta. Yes, B is the correct one. Is there doubt anything or you don't remember? If someone is like this, let me know. Chalo, next question. The solution of differential equation given to you is a d square minus 5d plus 6. Do you remember on calculator? Can anyone tell me
Yes, ma'am.
how to find? More? How many times? Press mode 3 times. Then there is equation. At 1, press equation. Tithe unknown yail. Forget that unknowns. Go ahead with degree. What is the degree here?
2.
2. Highest power of d degree is 2. Then it is asking you A is here, that is with this, A is 1, B is this, that is minus 5, and C is this, that is plus 6. So A is we are writing 1, then equal, B is minus 5, and then equal, and C is 6, and then equal. And on your calculator, on upper side, you must note for the sign. Which sign? While you see the root on your calculator, you must check on your calculator on the upper right corner for the notation RI. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Is there RI or is there no RI? If there is no such RI, then whatever is the root shown on your calculator is your root. But if there is RI, then a real part is shown and its imaginary part you have to find, and you will press then shift and equal and find its half part in imaginary case. But now nothing like that here, no RI. So 3, 2 are the roots. Are you getting 3 and 2?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
3
ma'am.
and 2 are the roots. So what is the solution?
D.
D
Right.
option.
3 and 2 both are real different, and every one goes in the power of u with separate constants. Next, 7. Do this. Now in your calculator already ABC is there. If it is order is not changing, you just change values of ABC. A is 1 here, B is minus 5, C is minus 6 and press equal, you will get the roots. What are the roots?
And minus 1.
6 and minus 1, right. So what is the correct answer here? I guess there is no correct answer given.
No correct option.
So here it should be plus 6x and then it is okay. If it is plus 6x, then it is okay. There is a spelling mistake, printing mistake. So yes, first option can be correct if there is 6. Good. Chalo, next, 8th one. A is 2, B is minus 1, C is minus 2. Tell me roots. Everyone is having calculator with
5
you?
by 2.
Yes,
5 by 2 and minus 2.
right, correct. 2.5 is there, so 2.5 I cannot see here in your answers. So 2.5 is nothing but 5 by 2. So as it is minus 5 by 2 here, this option is automatically cancelled. We got 5 by 2, so this is not the case. And we haven't got 3 by 2 also, so these two options are discarded. A and C, among this, your option can be true. So second root is minus 2. So which one is correct?
C.
C is the correct one. Correct. Chalo, 9th question. Sometimes you can just see and you will get the roots. It is like b square minus 4. If you shift it there, it is plus 4. If you take square root, it is plus minus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2.
Option
Plus and minus 2. You can check. Press A is 1, B is 0, C is minus 4. Calci is showing you 2 and minus 2.
Minus
So what is the answer?
option D.
D option.
Right?
D.
Real, different, everyone in the power E with different constants. Okay, next. The solution to this is, pen and tell me answer please. A is 1 here,
1
B is
minus
minus 1, C is minus 2. Yes, what is the answer?
Option B. B
Roots
option.
are
2
2
and
minus 1.
2 and minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this is correct one, B. B is correct. Everyone is understanding? Next, 11.
3 by 2 and 1.
Okay. 3 by 2 and 1 are the roots. So is there option like that?
A.
A. Is A correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next, 12th. A1, B2, C1.
1 minus 1.
1 and minus 1. Check once properly once again. What are the roots?
Minus 1, minus 1.
Correct. Minus 1 and minus 1. Repeated real twice. So which one is the correct option? Minus 1,
Yeah,
minus 1. Are you getting minus 1, everyone?
Yes,
Calci is showing you only minus
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
but power is 2. Do you remember that? But here the order is 2, so you cannot write just minus 1, we are writing twice. Real 2 times, so C1x plus C2. There are these two options only, C and D, but root is minus 1, so this one is correct. E raised to minus 6. Am I right?
yes.
Right. So go with 13. Find out the roots.
1 by 2, 1 by 2.
Okay.
1 by
And
2, 1 by 2.
1 by 2, 1 by 2. Or
1
minus 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 2 is repeating twice.
Repeated.
Okay. So which one is correct?
D option.
Yes.
D is correct. Repeat, if it is repeat, these two must get collected. So this is not there. And if it is real cosine, येतच नाही. These two can be true, but root is 1/2. So here it is -2. So root is 1/2 means D is correct. Go to next. 14.
2, 2,
2 is
Roots are
2 and
2 and
2.
2 repeated.
2 and 2 again. 2, 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Is it 2, 2? It is 2, 2. So what is the solution?
C1x plus C2 into e raised to.
Option A.
Right. Is it option A? Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Very good. So this one is correct. Option A. Chalo, go with next 15.
-3.
-3.
Roots are
Option B.
roots are
Repeated.
-3 twice.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right.
Yes.
So option is correct.
B.
B, -3. So here it is -3. Same option is here, but here it is +3. So this is not. -3 is correct one. Next, 16.
Plus minus I.
Plus minus I.
Is it plus minus I? Okay, what is alpha? 0.
Yes.
I comes now, right? So cos and sine comes. Once I comes, cos sine comes. So e raised to 0x. नाही लिहिला तरी चालेल. In bracket, C1 cos beta, beta is 1. So C1 cos 1x, C2 sin 1x. Which one is correct?
C.
The option.
Right? Now these two are looking like equal, but here it is e raised to 1x, not e raised to 0x. Okay. So if you choose this, you will be wrong. So alpha is 0, so you should choose e raised to 0x or just nothing there. E raised to 0x is 1. The correct one is C. Go with 17.
Plus minus 3I.
Roots are
3I.
plus minus 3i. Correct.
Plus
Solution is
Option D.
D.
C is correct. Alpha is 0,
Yes.
beta is 3. So D is correct. Chalo, next. 18. A is 1, B is 6, D is 10. -3 it is showing, but they're showing RI. So shift and equal you have to press. -3 plus I, -3 minus I. So -3 plus
Right.
minus I. Are you getting this? -3 plus minus I.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So alpha is -3. So which can be the option correct? This. Alpha is -3. Nowhere you can see alpha -3. So this is the correct one. Is A correct? Is option A correct? All are solving? Because very few are responding. DSY, please. You will, for today only, तुमच्यासाठीच मी आज MCQ घेतीये. Because आज तुम्हाला मला थोडासा त्रास द्यायचा नाहीये, बंबार्ड करायचं नाहीये with maths. So this is for just regular students. From tomorrow, everyone will bring calculator. We have started with our unit number 3, that is correlation, regression, statistics parts is going on. So which one is easy part? Statistics, probability. आणि तो तुम्ही उद्यापासून यांच्यासोबत सुरू करताय आणि जे मार्क्स राहिले ते आपण क्लिअर करूयात. सो तुम्ही फक्त आज ऐकताय, तुम्हाला समजणार नाही आय नो, बट उद्यापासून आपण सुरू करूयात यांच्यासोबत तुमचे. चलो, सो नेक्स्ट solution to this is A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, roots are
-0.5 plus -0.866.
-0.5 alpha
plus
So
minus 0.86.
okay, alpha is this minus 0.5. I can see here minus 0.5 e raised to alpha x. बाकी तर कुठंच नाहीये, म्हणजे हेच करेक्ट आहे का सी?
Yes, ma'am.
0.86 आहे तो म्हणजेच √3/2 आहे का चेक करून बघा. √3/2 is nothing but 0.86. Yes. So option C is correct. Chalo, go with 20. Four,
Minus
4.
0.5 plus minus 1i.
Okay, so which one is correct?
Option B.
Option
B.
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 So
B.
every time, right, every time you are checking for that RI sign on the right hand side of your calculator. If it is there, press shift and equal, find its imaginary part. Okay, chalo, 21. Now it is cube. So you have to again go to the mode and equation, okay? Change that.
Minus 1 minus 3 minus 2.
Okay. Degree 3. A, what is A here? 1, 6, 11, 6.
11.
So minus 1, yes. Minus 3, minus 2. Perfect. So which one is correct?
C.
C option.
Right. Minus 1, minus 2. Real, different. Everything on the power E with separate constants. 22. Solve this. Next.
3 minus 2 minus 1.
3 minus 2 and minus 1. Answer?
D option.
Is everyone agreeing on D? Is it correct,
Yes.
D? Right. Good. Chalo, next 23. A1,
0 minus 1 minus 1.
0 minus 1 minus 1. I'm expecting from other people also. Roots. Is it 0 minus 1 minus 1?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is getting what you did there? A is 1, B is 2, C is 1 and D is 0, right? Are you getting like this?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 0 minus 1 and as it is 3 calci showing you 2. So whatever is the last is repeating. So minus 1 is repeating. Correct. So which one is correct answer?
Option A.
But now I want to tell you something. Option A is correct. Very good. Here I will tell you something. D cube plus 2D square plus D it is, no? D cube plus 2D square plus D is equal to 0. And it is not always true that whatever calci will show you lastly is correct in case of if something is common. Yes, D is common here. So D square plus 2D plus 1 equal to 0. So D is 0. You solve this, you will get D is minus 1 minus 1. So there are some cases where it is okay, but there are some cases की ज्यामध्ये तुम्हाला मिळणार नाही. Common, if it is common, you have to take it out first. Now here it is okay. Roots are correct. Chala, next 24. We are solving 24.
2.5 plus minus 1.32i.
Correct answer is what is the correct answer? 24. A, B, C, D.
A.
What are the roots?
1, 2, 2.
2.
Can you check it properly? A is a 1, B is -5, C is 8, D is -4. And I guess I did something wrong. Okay. Are you getting 1, 2, 2?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 1, 2 and nothing. Again A. 1, 2 you are getting on calculator, but it is cube. So it must have 3 roots. Cassie is showing you 2. So whatever is the last will repeat. So 1, 2 and 2 is last, so 2 repeats twice. Correct. So correct answer is A. Go with 25. Again, common thing is there. Or you can just try and solve. Can you solve it on calculator? Just check. A is 1, B is 0, C is -4, D is 0. Are you getting
2,
the
0,
roots?
-4.
0, 2, -2.
0, 2 and -2. Correct. Perfect. All are real. All are different. So which answer is correct?
D.
D is correct. C1 e raised to 0x plus C2 e raised to 2x plus C3 e raised to -2x. Correct answer is D. Chalo, 26. D cube plus 1. A is 1, B is 0, C is 0, D is 1.
-1,
Okay.
0.5 plus minus 0.86.
-1, 0.5,
0.
huh?
Plus minus
0.86
0.86.
I.
Plus minus.
0.86 I, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So -1 you said first, real. So C1 e raised to -x. It is here. So this is not correct as there is +1. So B and C among this answer can be true. So e raised to -x. After that, e raised to alpha is half. So both are having e raised to half x. And then 0.86 you said, so 0.86 is √3/2. So correct one is C. Next, 27.
0 and plus minus 1.73.
0 plus minus 1.73 I or just 1.7.
1.7 I.
Okay, I. 1.7, is it √3? Because here they are given √3. Check the value of √3. Is it 1.73?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Right. So 0, C1 e raised to 0x. So C1. Correct. And plus minus √3I e raised to 0x. Okay, C1 or C2 cos beta is √3. So correct option is, whenever I comes, cos sign comes. So E should not be there. If there is I, that E is only in case of real, and in case of I, sin cos comes. And beta, you will look for beta if it is √3, here it is √3. This beta is 1, so we do not have 1 as beta. So correct is B. Chalo, 28. A1, B1, C minus 2, D 12.
-3
-3 plus
plus minus 1.73 I.
-3 and plus minus 1.73 I. Can you tell me the correct answer?
-3 1 plus minus 1.73 I.
1 plus minus. Okay. If it is 1 plus minus, alpha is 1. So e raised to alpha x is e raised to 1x. And here it is only one option which is having e raised to alpha x, e raised to 1x. So is this correct one? A? Check. Is A correct? -3. Okay, in both of these cases it is -3. So either A or B can be true. E raised to alpha x, right? So alpha is 1 and here is alpha is 0 and 0.86 is √3. So cos beta, beta is 0.86. This one is correct. A. Chala, go with 29.
-1, 1 plus minus 2i.
Okay. Roots are for 29. Please solve the roots. A is 1, B is -1, C is 3, D is 5.
-1, 1 plus minus 2i.
-1, 1 plus minus 2i. -1 is real, so it can be like this. And there are 3 such options. But -2, -3 hai nahi hai. So he gela, C gela, D gela. First two. E raised to minus. 1 plus minus 2i you said, right? So e raised to
Yes,
alpha
ma'am.
x, alpha is 1, so correct is A. If alpha is 0, then we can think for this, but alpha is 1, so this one is correct. A. All are understanding this except DSI?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Sure. Solve the next. I think 30. Go with 30.
One plus minus 2i.
Okay. 1 plus minus 2i. But there can be 3 roots, I guess. D's power is 3.
Except one way,
Okay. 1 different plus
one
minus.
and plus minus
Okay.
2i.
Okay. Then correct. 1 different plus minus 2i. Perfect. So the solution is, correct one is, 1 is real. So in the power of E. And plus minus 2i in sine cos. Alpha is 0. Perfect. C. मलाच दिसतंय का तुम्हालाही आन्सर दिसतायत करेक्ट आहे असं व्ह्यू करता येत आहेत की हेच करेक्ट आहे म्हणून काही प्रॉब्लेम येत नाहीये समजतंय से समथिंग
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask someone to unmute. Can you unmute please? Roll number 9. You're not saying anything. Please unmute yourself. Roll number 9. Hello, Srishti. Srishti, you will be absent for the today's lecture. Roll number 13. Pranali,
Yes, ma'am.
do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 17. Do you understand?
Yes,
Roll number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 20. Tushali,
Yes, ma'am.
do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
29. 29. Vanita, are you there? Or is it going time pass?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Roll number 33. Maheshwari,
Yes, ma'am.
do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are there. 47. Venkatesh, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Ritesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Chalo. Adesh. Adesh 55, are you there? Adesh? You should not do this. Okay, next. You will be absent, Adesh. Sandhya Rani,
Yes, ma'am.
are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And last roll number 71, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Chalo. So I guess you are busy in solving the question. So that's why I'm assuming that you are not replying. Okay. So, but if you get time in between solving, you can reply to me. I'm guessing. I can't see you, you know that. So I'm just guessing that you are solving and you're too busy in solving. Okay. Sure. Next question 31. D raised to 4 minus 1. How to solve this?
D square is equal to, yes, put correct.
Okay. D raised to 4 minus 1. And S नाही केला तरी येईल I guess. कसं करतो आपण त्याला? D
D
square,
square 1
yes, right,
square
minus 1 square, which is of the form A square
square
minus
minus-
B square. So A square, A plus B, A minus B. Solve that separately, you will get the answer. Because 4 power we cannot solve on calculator. So we have to convert it into the lesser order than that. Like if it was 4, we convert it into 2 or 3 and solve. So root for this is, if we solve,
1 minus 1 plus minus I.
correct, 1 minus 1 and plus minus I.
Plus minus I.
Real, different, imaginary, alpha 0, beta 1, C1 e raised to 1x, C2 e raised to minus 1x plus e raised to alpha x 0, C3 cos beta, beta is 1 plus C4 sin beta x. Where is the option? You can check. Which one is the correct? I
The
think D.
option.
Right, D is correct one. Chalo, go with 32. This sheet I have already shared with you in your study material. Have you gone through that before? Have you tried? Any one of you? No, it is there. Now you can try at least. Chal, the solution D raised to 4 plus 2D square plus 1. How do we solve that?
Put D square is equal to T.
Correct. D raised to 4 plus 2D square plus 1 equal to 0. You can go with T or S, whatever you want. So it is S square plus 2S plus 1 equal to 0. Solve for S. Tell me S.
Minus 1
Minus 1 minus 1.
Correct. So S is nothing but D square. D square is minus 1. That is D square plus 1 is 0. Solve this, you will get the answer. D is
Plus minus I plus minus I.
correct. Plus minus I plus minus I. Imaginary repeated twice. Two constants get collected. Alpha is 0. So can you just tell me the answer here?
B.
B is correct. Right. Two constants are collected. And as I there, cos and sine comes. Right. So twice. Yes, collected. Very good. And what is wrong with 4? It looks like same. These also looks like same. Where is the problem?
Sin X. अच्छा तिथं X नाही.
हाँ, C3X नहीं है इधर. C3X should be there. एकाला तरी X हवा. It is not there. So you can get confused if it is like that. So X, C3X, C1X, or somewhere in the constant there should be X. It is not there, so this is not correct. Chala, 33. This is twice there. So solve for 1 and write it twice. D square plus 9. What is the root? For D square plus 9 equal to 0, it is plus minus 3i. And once again, it is square. Square is nothing but twice. So roots are. Tell me the
Imaginary
roots.
and repeated.
No, just tell me the roots. What are the roots? Plus minus 3i and?
plus minus 3.
Again, correct. So imaginary repeated twice. Which one is correct? Beta is 3.
B.
B is
B.
correct? Right. Plus minus 3i, no? So 3 is here, it is correct. Here it is 9, so it is not. Here it is 1, it is not. And I is there, so it is not E, it is sine cos. So correct one is B. Chalo, 34. You will go with S. S square plus 8S plus 16. Solve S. What is S?
Plus minus 2i plus minus 2i.
D, you're telling me D, right? Directly. What are S?
Yes.
Minus 4, is it?
Minus 4 minus
Minus
4.
4, minus 4. Correct. S is minus 4, minus 4. So D is plus minus 2i plus minus 2i. Which one is correct? I is there, so sine cos. Repeated twice. 2. Cos 2
D
sine 2.
option.
D is correct. Okay, last one. The solution of differential equation D raised to 6. D raised to 6 plus 6D raised to 4 plus what is that? 9D square. 9D square equal to 0. What do we do first here?
D square common is.
Right, D square will take common. So it is D raised to 4 plus 6D square plus 9 equal to 0. We know this is D square means twice. So D is 0 and 0. And now we have to solve this. To solve this, we put D square is S. So this becomes S square plus 6S plus 9 equal to 0. So S is what here?
Minus 3 minus 3.
Correct. Minus 3 and minus 3. So what is D square? First is D square plus 3 equal to 0. Again D square plus 3 equal to 0. So what is D? Plus minus
Minus
1.73i. Again plus minus 1.73i. That 1.73 is itself root 3 or what? You can just check. Is it root 3?
yes.
Right. So plus minus root 3i. म्हणजे तिथं जर 1.73 नसेल आणि root असेल. So you can just find it on calculator. Is it root 3, 3 or whatever? So these are the roots. How many are these total?
35.
No. Total number of roots are here in this case 1,
6.
2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. And what was the order? Order was
Six.
also 6, right? So we got the 6 roots. So first are 0, 0 repeated twice. Real. 2 constants should be collected. So A is there, B is there, C is there, D is there. But here it is cos, not e raised to 0x. So C is automatically discarded. A, B, and D. Next, plus minus root 3. I repeated twice. Two constants should get collected. In cos and sine, I is there. So this and this with root 3 cos and sine. So correct one is A. Correct option is A here.
मॅम तिथे C5x पाहिजे.
That is the mistake. Yes. There it should be C5. They cannot use the constant which is used already. So yes, it can be a printing mistake. There should be 5. But there is no other option which matches, right? So nearly matches is A. So we can go with A. In final exam also, if it is like that, C3, C4 and again C3, but all other things are you have to take care of, like root 3 is there, alpha is 0, so it is not 3, so you should go with 3. Whatever is the near, you should click that. Okay, then of type 2 started, that is particular integral. So the particular integral is defined as, which one is correct?
A.
A is correct. 1 upon 5d into f of x. Okay, what is this? Where do we use this? Is there any method?
Inside, outside.
But that method name is
General method.
general method. Perfect. It is a general method. And its formula now asked. So which one is the correct here? If it is minus m plus m outside, integration inside plus
A
sorry.
option.
If it is minus m, outside is plus, inside is minus. And with that f of x, you are forgetting that f of x. Which one is correct?
C option.
C is correct, right?
Option.
You should check formula once. Perfect. Third one.
Option D.
D
Option
option.
D.
D
Option D is correct, right? Fourth. Okay. 1 upon 5d into e raised to ax. Is it a shortcut case?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
yes.
Case
First
number
case.
first.
Right. And it is said that phi of a is not equal to 0. म्हणजे त्यांनी d च्या जागी a ठेवलाय आणि चेक केलं आणि ते आन्सर 0 नाही आलं. So is it the case of failure?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No.
If it is 0, then it is the case of failure. Non-zero म्हटलंय त्यांनी हे नीट वाचायचंय. Is it 0 or non-zero? It is non-zero. ठेवलं आहे आणि phi of a हा 0 आलेला नाही. नाही आला तर आन्सर काय असेल? नाही जर 0 होत असेल ना ठेवून तर आपली केसच म्हणते की ए ठेवून मोकळे व्हा फक्त यामध्ये कारण हे 0 नाहीच आहे.
Option D.
Option D.
डी करेक्ट आहे का मग? हे जर 0
Yes, ma'am.
झालं ना तर प्रॉब्लेम आहे. लक्षात ठेवा. असं काही आलं तर कन्फ्युज होऊ नका. 0 नाहीये म्हणते. नाहीये म्हणजे फक्त ए ठेवायचं आणि रिकामं व्हायचं. म्हणजे डी च्या जागी ए ठेवलाय. बाकी सगळं ऍज इट इज डन. डी इज करेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll go with the 6th. You just check this. This is case 1. You can check this. The option is C. Okay, 6th one. Which case is this? Sin cos. What we do here? We replace d square by
minus a square.
Minus A.
minus a square. आणि त्याने सांगितलंय की ते ठेवल्यानंतर ते 0 झालेलं नाही. Then is it the case of failure?
No.
No. म्हणजे काय करणार फक्त मायनस ए स्क्वेअर ठेवणार आणि शांत बसणार कारण 0 झालेलं नाहीये. मग कुठला सही आन्सर?
B.
B is
B.
correct. D square you will only replace by minus a square. Sin is sin itself. Same option I can see, but it is cos. Is it the correct answer?
No.
No, sin should be sin itself. Just d square will be replaced, nothing else. The correct one is B. Okay, next. 1 upon 5d square sin, okay, it's case 2. And now it is said that phi of minus a square is 0. म्हणजे काय?
Case of failure.
Case
Right.
of failure.
केस ऑफ फेल्युअर पहिल्या वेळेस झालीये आणि पुढे सांगितले की फाय डॅश हा नॉन झिरो आहे. मग आन्सर काय असेल?
B option.
B option.
Right, we multiply by x, right? We multiply by x and we take derivative, that is phi dash, and that d square is again replaced by minus a square. So phi dash of minus a square into that sign as it is. So correct option is B. 8, non-zero, not the case of failure. So what is the option? Correct one.
Option A.
A
Option
option.
A is correct, right? Cos is cos, d square is just minus a square. And now it is said again that for this cos it is 0. Case of failure. Multiply by x, take
D
derivative.
option.
D option.
D option.
What is wrong with D? A is not correct, D is correct. Why?
X multiply.
Yes, you should multiply by x first and then derivative of the denominator. So correct one is D. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next is hyperbolic cases also asked. So I said that non-zero. If it is non-zero, then just the placement.
D square replaced by A square.
D square by A square. What is correct option then? Is it A?
A, B, C option.
C option.
Yes.
Option
Sine hyperbolic should be written like sine hyperbolic should be there. Only D square should be A square. Correct. C. Same here. Cos hyperbolic, you can do that. Okay. Next, particular integral. Which case is this? Fifth case. Do you remember the fifth case? E raised to ax into
Yes,
v?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What is that?
E raised to x by
Common
x.
out E raised to
E
x
raised
and
to x बाहेर घ्यायचं आणि काय करायचं?
D replaced by
D
D
minus
plus
D minus
Plus or minus?
minus.
No.
Plus.
plus
Plus.
Plus.
Take E out and whatever is the E's power, you will add it to D plus. So which one is correct? E is out,
C.
power of E is A, it is added to D and it will apply on B. So C is the correct one. Next 14 is the XV rule. Do you remember XV rule? X minus phi dash D upon phi D into 1 upon phi D into V. So correct one is D. For that, what should we know? The formulae, the methods. Okay, this is depend on, see the function. This is the example of general method,
general method.
right? This is also, this is also, this is 2, this is 2. These all are general method questions. So today's time is over. So we'll see it somewhere in next lecture. So for DSY, you please be prepared for tomorrow's lecture. We'll start tomorrow with the syllabus, regular syllabus. Okay. So I know that you will not have with you anything. So tomorrow you must have calculator. You must have your own notebook for M3 and from where we have started, you will start writing. आणि जो बाकीचा पार्ट आहे तो आपण बघूयात नंतर. Just wait, no one will leave. I'll be here only. Okay, chalo, done. Bye.